Hi friends, welcome back to our JavaScript for front-end development course. Okay, this is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about where, let and constant keywords. Okay, how we can able to use these variables. Okay, and our previous video session we have seen about the VS Code and work with the browser develop tools, right? And also I have given some assignment to you also. I think you guys have done. In case if you are not done, if you need any help, you can able to comment on this video. I can able to help you. Okay, let's start. We can able to learn our most important topic, that is the variables. Okay, these are variables is basically variable. Variables are used in almost every JavaScript program. Okay, whether you are building a calculator or login page, or whether application or e-commerce website, the variables are must. Variables are everywhere. Why everywhere is basically what variables are. Okay, why the variables needed, how to create a variable. Okay, and different between the var, let and constant, and best practice to renaming the variables. These are all the concepts we can able to see in this particular video. Okay, first we can see that what is a variable. Here imagine you have a box, something. Okay, one box. Inside the box you can store a different item inside the box. Okay, today it means the container books. Okay, and tomorrow it may contain the cloth. Okay, you can able to store one box different ways. Today you can store for books and tomorrow you can store for cloth, you can store for something. Okay, similarly to that, variables are a container. A variable is a container that stores a data. Okay, that stores a data. What it will store? An example, it will store for your name, it will store for age, it will store for city, and it will store for email. Like this, it will store for whatever it is. Okay, something that variable can be stored some data. Okay, all these values can be stored inside a variables. Inside a variables. Think a variables are labeled a contains that help us store and use the data whenever you need it. Something you store that inside that particular labels, and then you can able to use whenever you want it. Without variables, our programming could be extremely difficult. If you are not using variable, it is very difficult to use it because something you need to get that you don't know, you have to assign one place that become a variable. Okay, without that you cannot able to store. Okay, we should have some way to store the information. Okay, why do we needed variables? Why do we need variables? We create a student application. Imagine, okay, you have some application that is a student application. It needs to store the student name. age, and course, which course it is there. Instead of writing the all the value represented, we stored some the variables, right? Example, let student name, okay, and you can store for location, and you need to store for age, okay, and let course, what kind of course you going to use, that is JavaScript. Like this, you need to store, okay. Now we can use these variables anywhere in our program, wherever it is required. You can able to use. This makes our code clear, reusable, and easier to maintain. Okay. To creating a variables, there are three different ways. One is var, another one is a let, and constant. These are the three ways we can able to do. Okay. We can see for simplest way one by one. Okay. Using var. Var is basically a keyword was used in a old JavaScript versions. It is used for old JavaScript versions. Nowadays it is not using. It is using very rare case a var a name equal to location. And you can able to print for console dot a log and name you can able to print. This way you can able to print it. Output become a location, it will display. Although var still works, modern development rarely used because we create unexpected behaviors also. You should understand it, but in real project we usually use for let or constant. Okay, you can understand let how it works, similar format of the variable it will work. But in nowadays we are not going to use a var keyword. Very rare case, but it will be used somewhere. Okay. Next is a let. Let also it is a keyword used when a value may change a later. May change later. In that time you can able to use. An example, let city equal to Chennai. Okay. Now you printed here console.log. By using that you can able to print the city. Okay. Now in this city again you want to define the Bangalore. Okay. And you want to print. You can able to print. Okay. Like this it may change. It will print for two places. It will change the value. Okay. This allowed because the variable declaration with let can be reassigned the value. Whenever you expected a value to change, then you can able to use the let keyword. It is a easy to use it also. Okay. The constant. Constant is a like a keyword is used when the value should never change. Should never change. Once you assign, it should not be allocated. It should say some error message. Okay. This like a whenever you don't want to change something of value, then you can able to use. Example, constant country, okay, equal to India you mentioned, and you printed that console.log, okay, then you are printed. It will perfectly work. But tomorrow you try to change the country become a USA. Then we can get for JavaScript throw an error. This happen because the constant variable cannot be reassigned. The constant, whenever the value should remain fixed, that time you have to use it. The company name in a employee place, the company name is a constant. It should not be changed until unless he go out of the company, right? That time you can able to use. Okay. Now simplest way we can able to see an example of that. tc03 underscore variables.html. Okay. Now simplest way I'm going to keep it here. All the things are same. Let keyword you already know that. Now I have used it for this one to store. Now the same place I'm going to use that student name become Ramesh and I need to print this one. Okay. Console.log. Now I'm inspecting this element and console location. You can able to see updated username. It is able to update, right? Now our next is to make constant, right? For the constant, I'm going to use for constant country India. Then I'm going to print. Now if I refresh, see the country India is defined. Okay. Now the same place I'm going to make that changing USA. And I'm going to use for console dot log to print updated name. Okay, this will get for error. Now I saved, it will not give you for any compile time error because JavaScript whenever you want to do it will runtime only it will provide. Okay, now I'm going to refresh here. Now you can see it is got the error, typo error, assignment of the constant variables. Okay, assigning the constant variables, it is facing the issue. If you expand, it will show you for the numbers. 19 the number it is having for issue. We need to change the value and we need to reuse it. It will not be broke anything, but the thing is like you can able to see this kind of error, caught errors. It will give you for in a runtime only. It will not give you for compile time. But TypeScript, it will provide you for runtime only. Sorry, compile time. Okay, what is the difference between var, let, and constant? Okay, var keyword first. Var is a old way. It is a olden way of using. Okay, can be reassigned values and also avoid in a modern projects. Avoiding for modern projects. Okay, let keyword. It is a modern and can be reassigned values. Use when values change. When value change, we can able to use. Constant is a modern and also cannot be reassigned. Cannot be reassigned. Preferred, preferred whenever possible. it will not be changed. That time we can able to prefer the professionally developments of the following, like use the constant by default, use the let only when the you know the value will not be changed. That time you can able to use that. Avoid the where using of that. Okay. And variable naming rules. Variable naming rules. Okay. Variable name must be meaningful. Okay. You can need to provide the meaningful. Okay. Like you want to use for student name. Okay. You can use for let student name. And small first word of student name, any word you are using for two words, student and name, first name should be start with the small letter, second word should be start with the capital letter. Okay, don't use for let s1 or s2 like this. Okay, it's a bad way of using. You should not use that. Okay, can any variable must be start with the string. Okay, it cannot start with the number, cannot start with the number, and also cannot contain spaces. Any variable should be attached. Now you have for two words here, if you give the spaces, it will not allow. Okay, cannot contain the spaces of the word. It will think only for student as a variable, it will not think as a name. Okay, must it cannot be space, it cannot be contain the spaces. Okay. And in case if you want to define, then you can use for underscore. Then first word become a small letter. Like this. Underscore you can able to use. Okay. Camel cases must be used. That is a capital and the small letters must be used. Okay. And many project wise also like a similar format of I have used, right? You can able to use the same way. Mini project also. Okay. You can define everything and you can change. And also when changing the constant value, you may get some issues. But in case okay, so if you want to change year, you can able to change the year thing also. Like you can able to use for no year, only year 2027. Like this you can update. You can able to, it will update the year. And if you refresh, you will get for updated year. See, right? You can able to use the inside that. Okay. The final assignment. Here first you can create variables, your name and city and any technology or something and current year. Okay. And all the things you can display. Wherever you use the let keyword, you can able to update the value, similar format of this. You can see, right? Directly I used without using the let because I have used the top. Don't use the top because there is no let. Okay. Now you can able to use the down of the let and you can provide the year to update. See updated value you are able to see or not. Okay. And keep course or student name constant and check after you update. Like here I have used the country India and then I used for here USA, right? Then we saw that some error, right? Similar format whether you are able to see error message or not in the application console. Okay, this kind of thing you can able to try. Okay, this is all about for variables. I hope it this entire information is for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.